Hey guys, I'm Carlise, and on today's episode of Food Nerds, I am going to be showing you how I make my alphabet cake, and I'll be making it in letter L, which is for my middle name initial, which is Lydia, for those of you who don't know, okay? So, if you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you definitely hit that notification bell, guys, so you know every time a new video is being uploaded. Okay, and which we do have new videos uploaded every Tuesday and Friday of the week, okay? If you are a returning food nerd, thanks for coming back, and let's get right into this video. Make sure you like and comment down below, guys, okay? Okay, guys, so I have two 9 by 13 inch vanilla cakes, okay? And this is my cake recipe. If you have your own recipe that you want to use, that's totally fine. You can use that. But I only used I did my recipe by 1.5 batches, okay, and that's because I did want my cake to be pretty thin, and as you can see, it's not as thick as it is, and I baked them in 9 by 13 by 3 inch bake pans, okay? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my serrated knife, and I'm just gonna go right across the top, okay, and that's just gonna level these pans right up. So, now that I have pretty much both of my cakes leveled off, I'm going to cut it into the shape that I want it to. Now, I did not make me a template, which, yes, I know I probably should have, but I didn't. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on top of each other. And because, like I said, I'm doing it in my middle name, my middle initial is an L. It's going to be really easy for me to just cut it out. Okay. So I'm going to use this side as my base. The other half of this cake will be cut off. Okay. So I'm going to see how thick I want my L to be. I'm going to go about this thickness. Okay. I'm just going to make one straight cut all the way down. Okay guys, so we're back. I wiped down my tables. These are my 2 pieces of my cake. So we're just going to get ready with the buttercream frosting. So I have one batch of buttercream frosting that I already pre-made. It's in my mixing bowl. And it's already white. But I'm thinking about going with a nice light blue color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip the end in. And you can see about how much color I put on it. So I'm just going to dip the end in. Okay, and just rub it nicely in my frosting. Okay, because I don't want it to be too bold of a color. I just want it to be like a nice hint blue. And then I'm going to mix that right up. Okay, until the blue color is all throughout. I have a piping bag here, fitted with a round tip. I don't know if you can see that, but it's fitted with a round tip. Okay, and I like to put my piping bag inside of one of my beer mugs. That just holds it open so I can fill it. So I'm gonna fill it up with some frosting. Now here's the part you decide which one looks better, which one you want to use in the top, which one's flatter, which one you want to use in the bottom, stuff like that. So I'm going to actually use this part as my bottom and this one as my top. So we're going to start with this part first. And this is the point where you want to get it already on its display board. So I'm just going to be using a plain white board. Okay, because the colors, and you're going to see the way I decorate it. You don't need a colorful board. You don't need one of those shiny glimmering boards. Plain white is just fine. So these, I'm just going to do dots. right around, okay? Just like that. So I'm gonna finish doing these dots and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so my pattern is decorated. It's all dotted. What I'm going to do is my frosting is a little warm. I'm going to throw this in the fridge for a few. Just let it harden up for about 15 minutes and then I'll be back to decorate. Okay, guys? So we'll see you in about 15 minutes, y'all. Okay, guys. So we are back. I let my cake sit in the fridge for a little bit just to cool a bit. Okay, just so I can get my buttercream nice and firmed up and it won't move around when I jiggle it. So I have some fresh fruit here. I have some blackberries, some blueberries, and a couple of strawberries. And this is what I'm going to use to decorate my cake. Don't really have much of a pattern that I'm going to do with it. I'm just going to kind of place it where I see fit in a way. And this is going to be my finishing product. So this is my finishing product. I have a better picture at the end of the video for you. I want to thank you for making this cake with me, staying tuned, and watching my videos. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Please hit that notification bell so you'll know every time we have a new video posted and out. Okay, so thank you for cooking with me today. See you soon, guys.